I'm replacing the high side valve for the refrigerant on a 2008 Mustang GT. It should be very similar on other Mustangs from 2005 to 2010. Here it is, the new one. I didn't have the tools to remove it, so I made it out of a brake line. I just used a grinder, cut a line through there. Nice slot. Evacuated the system properly. Look at the seals on the new one. Two nice new seals. The seals on the old one are done for. You could barely tell that one's even there. I did see a little bit of corrosion down in there where it seals, but that should be fine. I tried cleaning it out as best as I could. I was able to use the UV light and see that it was leaking, and you can visually see also that it's leaking, of course. See, it's all stained up. See the UV light showing the green. I'm sure it's better if you use the proper tool, but this works. So you use some pliers and snug it up real nice. And the way we got here is, of course, there was a leak because I had to keep adding Freon. If not, the air compressor would shut off. So I put the dye in the system. You could buy it at your local parts store. And then I just simply used the UV light and went around all my lines. And I can see the green there, so I know it's leaking from here. You just trace your AC lines with the UV light, and you will see where it's leaking. It'll show up. You see all that down there is green. It's all from this valve. Also look at the AC compressor.